wasn't quite drastic enough for the Damn It doll, but thought I'd show you. I just don't have a crew. I don't have a film crew to remember all these things, and I always forget something. The air conditioner's off, and I even turned my air hotter upstairs so my compressor won't go off while we're doing this and make a bunch of noise. It's really annoying. I mean, I know it's annoying, and I'm sorry. It would be nice to have a production crew that's standing there catching everything that's going wrong. Wouldn't that be nice? Like they do on TV and the movies. I'm sure they do that, right? Don't let these little things go. But you can see I'm just painting the stripes. They don't have to be perfect. Nothing that I do is perfect. But when we get to the end, it looks pretty dang good, I have to say myself. I have to remind you, I've done now 4 guitars with the same design that I'm doing on this toilet seat. And they've all sold, and some people may not have watched all of my videos, so I'm going to repeat stuff along the way. And I know I'm repeating it. Don't anybody say you're losing your mind. You've said that before, but I don't think everybody watches every minute of all these videos. So anyway, Justin James bought one of these guitars. He actually said it's the best guitar he's ever had, coolest guitar he's ever had. I remember when he first got it, he called it dope. That was supposed to be a compliment from a rock star. He's a guitarist for his wife's band, Janet Gardner. And I still have to learn the name of that band. Anthony, please text me that if you're watching. If not, I need to get that from you. It's a rock band. I don't think it's rock and roll. It's just rock, whatever they call that. All right, I'm almost finished with this side, and I think that's enough to show you. What I'm going to do when I turn off the camera is I'm going to paint this in this black and finish the stripes over there. And then all I have to do is embellish, make it more interesting, make it more beautiful. And then I'll do the silver in between these lines, and then the dots, and then I'm done. I have finished the toilet seat. I can take off this, well, actually I can't take off the tape till I put all the clear gloss on here. 3 coats of clear gloss, so this will last for Kimmy. So I'm not done. Anthony finishes his guitars. That's what's great. I don't have to worry about doing that. I don't know how to do it the way he does it. I'd love to learn. Okay, see you later. The magic of video. Voila, it's done, except I'm going to do some embellishing with the black paint. Martha Stewart's Beetle Black. So easy. It's so quiet. This is how it's like when I paint, though. I don't talk when I paint by myself. I just think to myself. I don't even play music. I know that's strange to a lot of people, that I wouldn't have something going on. But I love quiet. And I think about all kinds of things. I think basically things I tell you. You're just getting the old thought processes out of me. This is so quick and easy. And I did this on the guitar project. So it's sort of the same old, same old. I missed a stripe. All right, now I'm going to clean off my brush. There goes my pen on the floor. All right, we're going to do the putty in the black. Cammy's toilet seat is on its way. When I go off this time, I'm going to paint the silver in there. In those little lines there. So these stately stripes are getting embellished. Oh, I missed one. And then I come back and do some little straight little marks down with the brush long ways, like that. Just wherever I feel like it. And I'll do some into the white. I like a little bit in there. I'm almost done. You see how quickly this goes? This is the easy part. Really the fun part, the part I love the most. And it's just going crazy with the embellishing. Leaving this all solid black, it'll look like ebony when it gets all the clear coat on it, 3 coats. So I'm going to leave you to do the silver. The silver has dried, and now it's time to start the dots, the dignified dots. And I'm going to start here, start going down with my little, I call them little zigzags, little, almost like they make triangles. And I just start going down, doing the black. I always, for some reason, I do the black first. Then I'll do the white, and I use all of Martha Stewart's paints. I use the Beetle Black and the Wedding Cake White, and then I use the Putty, which is my other accent color on this project. And this just adds, I don't know, it's the whimsy part. It's all whimsical, but this is really the whimsiest part. I just talked to Kimmy Schwimmy, and she's so excited. It's almost done. The toilet seat. Oh my gosh, you know, it's the little things in life that really make you happy. You know, I mean, I'm that way. The silliest little things are what make me happy. It's not the big things. This morning, I have to tell you, I woke up at 3 something, and I laid there a few minutes, and I went, you know what, I'm not going to get back to sleep, I can tell. And I was excited about my day. I've got my family coming, Cinnamon, Coffee, and Jerry, and the kids are coming to celebrate Lily Coffee's 16th birthday. And I had things I needed to get done, and I wanted to paint and get stuff done before they got here. And I have had about 2 days worth done, and it's just now 10 o'clock in the morning. But I have found out that if I wake up early and I'm wide awake, I just get up. And then if I need to take a nap later, I will. Sometimes I don't. But I just figure life's too short to waste time laying in bed fretting because you can't sleep. I just decided that a long time ago. Get up and do something, and then go back to bed later. Okay, that's the black dots. And I'm going to, again, this has gone way too long. I'm going to finish with all the colors all the way around, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product.
Rainbows are flying when we're together, flying true.